don't catch those virus cells in time, yeah, you're sick.
Isn't that so cool?
Baking soda bubbles. The salt did nothing. The snot traps the dirt. This is how your body gets you into getting sick. You should get Cause it's all green. That's how viruses spread in the body.